Carencro, LA, offers the charm of a small town feel while sitting right in the heart of Louisiana's unique climate. While the warm weather and lush surroundings make it a wonderful place to live, homeowners also know that humidity is a constant factor, one that can take a toll on their homes. Among the most affected features are windows. The humid climate in Carencro plays a big role in how long your windows last, and understanding these effects helps homeowners protect their investment. Moisture and window materials. Windows are built from a variety of materials, and each reacts differently to Louisiana's year-round humidity. Wood windows absorb moisture, which can cause swelling, warping, or even rotting over time. This often leads to sticking, drafts, and decreased durability. Metal frames, like aluminum, resist rot but are prone to condensation, which can lead to rust or corrosion if not properly sealed. Vinyl and fiberglass frames handle humidity better but still require professional installation to prevent water infiltration around the edges. Choosing the right material is the first step in maximizing the lifespan of your windows in a humid climate like Carencro's. Condensation and indoor comfort. One of the most visible effects of humidity on windows is condensation. When warm, moist air meets cooler window glass, water droplets form. Double-pane windows with broken seals often fog up permanently because moisture gets trapped between panes. Excess condensation can drip down into frames and sills, causing damage or mold growth. Indoor air quality can suffer if damp conditions encourage mildew near windows. This not only shortens the lifespan of your windows but also makes your home less comfortable. Impact on energy efficiency. Humidity doesn't just damage the window itself, it affects how efficiently your home uses energy. Windows that warp or lose their seal allow air leaks, making your HVAC system work harder. Trapped moisture in the frame reduces insulation performance, causing higher utility bills. Outdated or damaged windows can't keep out Carencro's summer heat, leading to uncomfortable indoor spaces. In short, poorly performing windows make it more expensive to keep your home cool and dry. Moisture damage and maintenance costs. When humidity infiltrates your windows, the problems rarely stop at the glass. Rotting wood trim and sills require costly replacements. Mold growth around frames creates health concerns for families. Peeling paint and finishes reduce your home's curb appeal. Regular inspections and timely window replacement help Carencro homeowners avoid larger repairs down the road. How to extend window lifespan in Carencro. While humidity is unavoidable, there are steps you can take to protect your windows and maximize their lifespan. Choose moisture-resistant materials like fiberglass or vinyl during replacement projects. Invest in energy-efficient glass with low-E coatings and insulating gas fills to reduce condensation. Schedule professional installation to ensure airtight seals and proper flashing. Maintain windows regularly by cleaning tracks, checking weather stripping, and addressing minor leaks quickly. These practices not only extend the life of your windows but also improve comfort and efficiency in your home. Final thoughts. In Carencro, LA, humidity is a fact of life, but it doesn't have to mean constant window problems. Moisture, condensation, and energy loss are the biggest ways climate impacts window lifespan, but with the right materials, professional installation, and ongoing care, you can protect your investment for years to come. If your windows show signs of warping, fogging, or drafts, it may be time to consider replacement. Upgrading to high-quality, humidity-resistant windows ensures your Carencro home stays beautiful, comfortable, and efficient, no matter how damp the Louisiana air gets.